Echinodermata is a combination of two Greek words, echine and derma. The word echine means spiny and derma means skin. It means that all the members of phylum Echinodermata have spine on their skin. The members of Echinodermata are slow moving or sessile. At adult stage, they exhibit radial symmetry, and at larval stage, they exhibit bilateral symmetry. This shows that they are not closely related to cnidarian. They don't have head. They had oral surface that contain mouth, and other side, which typically containing anus, is called the aboral surface. Some members of Echinodermata are capable of regeneration, their limbs being regrown or regenerated if damaged or lost. They are simple organisms, but complete digestive system is occur in them. Most of the food is digested in them except hard exoskeleton of things like oyster and sand dollars. They don't have brain, but they have network of nerve including eye spot and of the arm to detect light. They have open circulatory system, and they had a network of water-filled canals that branch into extension called tube feet that extend through the holes in the endoskeleton, which is used in locomotion, feeding, and gas exchange. In phylum Chordata, we discuss those animals which have nerve cord or notochords. Notochord is actually a rod-like semi-rigid body of vacuolated cells which are filled with proteinaceous material, and it extends to the length of the body between the enteric canal and the dorsal hollow central nervous system. The chordates have pharyngeal slit, and it is located in the pharynx. And in human, it develops into the part of our inner ear. The chordates have anal tail at some point, and it can only be during embryonic development. When we are talking about chordates, we thought that all those organisms which have vertebral column are the member of phylum chordates, but it is not a fact. There are some organisms exist in this universe which do not have a vertebral column, but they are actually the member of phylum Chordata. First of all, I'll discuss the similarity between chordates, that all chordates have brain, mouth, pharynx, all have heart, intestine, anus, pharyngeal gill slit, dorsal nerve, hollow cord, notochord, and posternal tail or muscular segmentation. Sea squid is the member of chordates, but it is invertebrate organisms. Its larva is free swimming, but adults are sessile and enclosed in a covering. Their adult look more like a sponge. At larval stage, the sea squid also had mouth, pharyngeal slits, notochord, nerve cord, dorsal nerves, postal anal tail, and muscle segments. Another example of invertebrate chordate is lancelet. In sea squid, the notochord and nerve cord only occur in larval stage, but in lancelet, the notochord and nerve cord extend along the entire length of the body and persist throughout their life. Like other members of the chordate, the lancelet also had head, mouth, pharynx, digestive tract, anus, pharyngeal slit, notochord, nerve cord, postal anal tail, and muscular segment. And it is considered to the ancestor of vertebrates. Both these organisms are invertebrates, but they are much similar to those organisms who have vertebral column. And these organisms are called the ancestor of vertebrates. They are invertebrates, but they are the member of chordates.